Welcome back to my channel, guys. I got a really cool video for you guys. Also, I promise to do other videos on the headers and also with the 410 gears that I did. I will be doing that, but I just ordered my drive shaft and it came in. So I want to do a little viewing of it and show you what it looks like. So here we go. Here it is. I went ahead and got the drive shaft shop version. Comes with pretty cool stuff. It comes with little instructions on here, basically telling you how not to, void the warranty that comes with it. I got a guy locally who's gonna go ahead and install it for me for 60 bucks. Really cool guy, really cool dude. So he's gonna go ahead and install it for me tomorrow. So that's why I'm gonna crank out this video really quick just to show you what I got. If anybody here who knows about this drive shaft and wants to leave some comments about it, I really welcome it. So alright guys, I'll do another video when I have it installed and tell you what the review is. So far I'm loving the 410 gears, but with this right here, this should put the icing on the cake. Have a good one, y'all.